People are always telling me that I should change the name Comicsgate. Today I offered an alternative. Let's see how that went. I am going to abandon hashtag Comicsgate to describe what I'm building in 2021. The mainstream is dead. There's no conflict there anymore. We've won. I invite you all to immigrate over to Independent Comics Empire. I'm sure everyone who had a problem with Comicsgate will love ICE.
Remember how Ethan liked to troll folks by naming stuff after Hitler and Nazi stuff? Now he's doing ICE, which says a lot more about him and about ICE being fascist trash than he realizes, the dumb Anyway, if yes is pathetic, feel free to point and laugh at the sad loser. I love how he also has mimicked his idol Trump in declaring victory when the loss he suffered has been staggering. It's like paint by numbers of pathetic narcissism. Abolish ICE now means two things. Yup, thanks for making our job easier, Ethan.
Won? What did he win? Last I checked, Smile still outsold Cyberfrog by about 100-fold.
What did he win? Irrelevance.
Also, ICE in relation to comics is already the name of an independent comics expo that is sometimes held in Birmingham, no?
True. Perhaps ICE the Comic Expo should get legal involved. Oh my god, I'm having an emergency! I have been mischarged over $100, which I simply do not have. This is deeply distressing. As anyone following me knows, I'm having financial trouble right now. Please, if you can, consider buying something from my store. I need help! It's okay, panic over. I've just been refunded by the seller. Looks like I've lost the VAT, but the book is refunded, and that puts me back into the safe zone of my bank account. Thank you everyone who jumped in with offers to help.
Hey, I got a P.O. box. Want to send me some mail? Send it to Ethan Van Sciver, P.O. Box 607, Marlton, New Jersey, 08053. And I'll probably open it up on the live stream. Thanks very much, everyone. Hey, you want to follow me on Twitter? Are you sure? Well, if so, I'm at Ethan Van Sciver. That's at Ethan Van Sciver. See you there.